Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox and show you how to use the Ahonui Artisans Reusable Resin molds. Hope you enjoy. So here I am unboxing the mold. This is the 20.5 by 12.5 inch version. He's got an 18.5 by 8.5 and a few other different molds as well, but this is the newer one that comes with the adjustable feet and the leveling kit on it. The leveling feature really comes in handy if you're working on an uneven surface, which you can see as I start to put this wood in here that the mold starts rocking back and forth. Another great thing about these resin molds is that they come ready to use, so as soon as you take it out of the package you can go ahead and get started. You can see me here adjusting the feet with this screwdriver that brings the feet up or down so that you make sure everything's level. And here you have the clamping so that you can push the piece down a little bit so that as little resin as possible gets underneath the project. There's always going to be some that gets underneath the wood, but you want to try to make it as little as possible. For this project, as well as all of my resin projects, I use Super Clear's liquid glass, which is the best deep pour option on the market in my opinion. They also make a great tabletop epoxy. Here you can see me mixing in Baltic pigments as well, which is what I like to use. They're my favorite. So this is the best part of the video, so I'm going to stop talking and just let you pigments, and I actually finished it off camera with Walrus Oil, and I'll link all of these below. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.